Congress taunts Prime Minister after Chola tribute. Congress says Cholas never allowed neighbours to unite against us. Cholas didn't surrender to foreign pressure and Cholas didn't have failed intel system. This is what the Congress party has said after Prime Minister Modi's Chola tribute in Tamil Nadu yesterday. And the Congress has also slammed Prime Minister, saying that answer in the parliament, not PR shows. That's the attack that is coming to the fore from the Congress party against the Prime Minister after he paid tribute to the Chola dynasty. He gave a Chola tribute in Tamil Nadu yesterday. And let's listen in to what Prime Minister Modi said.
चोला राजाओं ने अपने राजनयिक और व्यापारिक संबंधों का विस्तार श्रीलंका, मालदीव और दक्षिण पूर्व एशिया तक किया था। ये भी एक संयोग है कि मैं कल ही मालदीव से लौटा हूं और आज तमिलनाडु में इस कार्यक्रम का हिस्सा बना हूं। हमारे शास्त्र कहते हैं, शिव के साधक भी शिव में ही समाहित होकर उनकी ही तरह अविनाशी हो जाते हैं। इसलिए शिव की अनन्य भक्ति से जुड़ी भारत की चोला विरासत भी आज अमर हो चुकी है।
And my colleague Rahul Gautam is now joining us with more details. Rahul, just ahead of the fiery session in the Parliament on Operation Sindoor and also just a day after Prime Minister Modi's Chola tribute, now the Congress party is attacking the government and the Prime Minister, linking the Chola tribute to the border tensions.
Absolutely. And, this has come in from Congress MP from Tamil Nadu, Mr. Manikam Tagore, who put out a tweet saying that unlike Chola kings, the Modi government had surrendered before Donald Trump, and how there was a faulty and a flawed intelligence system that was put in place, unlike Chola kings. So essentially one can say that the Congress MP is invoking legacy of Tamil Chola kings, because of the simple fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Tamil Nadu. He had visited 1,000-year-old temple also that were constructed by erstwhile Tamil Chola kings. So you can say, in a way, by invoking the legacy of Tamil Chola kings, the Congress MP is trying to put out a narrative that the Prime Minister is running away, from real answers.